Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by cutting power at the breaker and confirming the circuit is dead. This is non-negotiable for safety. Once the power is off, remove the switch cover and loosen mounting screws so you can access the wires. Make sure to photograph the existing wiring and label line, load, neutral, and ground with tape. That photo will save time when routing wires later. After labeling, detach wires from the old switch carefully so they remain organized for the smart switch installation. You now wire the smart switch, following the manufacturer diagram. Correct connections are the why behind reliable operation. Start by attaching the line conductor to the switch live terminal, then connect the load lead to the load terminal. If your device needs a neutral, join it to the neutral bundle. Make sure the ground is securely attached to the green screw. Once done, use proper wire nuts and tug gently to test each joint, and tuck wires neatly into the box before mounting the switch. You finish by restoring power and initially testing the switch manually to ensure the wiring behaved as expected. A manual toggle confirms line/load. Next, enter the device's pairing mode and use the companion app or hub to complete setup. Follow on-screen prompts and wait for LEDs to indicate success. After pairing, test the load, dimming, or scene behaviors. If things go wrong, don't panic. Immediately turn off the breaker and recheck that line and load aren't swapped and that the neutral bundle is intact.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.